If the volume of your iPhone gradually decreases on its own, then let us see what to do. The first thing is, if you are using a tight case like this one for your iPhone, then remove the case and check if the case is pressing the volume button. The second thing is, you have to remove the case and check if the volume down button of your iPhone is pressed or damaged. So in that case, you have to fix the volume button. Now if none of these things have happened, then what you do is go to settings, go to sounds and haptics. You can disable this option change with buttons so that the volume of the iPhone does not decreases with the button. Maybe you accidentally press the volume button, that's why the volume decreases. And when you are in this sound and haptics, the other thing that you can do is you can go to this option headphone safety, and if you see there is an option reduce loud sounds, disable this option. After that, what you do is swipe from the top to open this control center, disable this Bluetooth option to see if there is any Bluetooth device which is connected to your iPhone is causing the issue. The other thing that you will do is you will go to settings here, scroll down, and you will go to this option Face ID and passcode. Enter the iPhone passcode, and here you can see there is an option attention aware features. If it is enabled like this one, disable this option. Now again we will go to settings, we will scroll down and we will look for music application. Open this, go to this option EQ. If you have selected any equalizer, disable this option, go back. You can see there is an option sound check, disable this option also. So do all of these things and restart your phone once, and then check if the volume of iPhone again decreases on its own or not. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.